Why is the dialysis center the most profitable building in your entire city? Because your kidneys are worth more to them dead than they are alive. They told you that once your kidneys fail, they are gone forever. They lied to you to secure a customer for their 3 times a week chair rental. Your kidneys are not dead. They are suffocating in a toxic acid bath. The medical industry watches your numbers drop and does absolutely nothing to stop it. They wait like vultures for your filtration rate to hit the danger zone. Then they smile and hand you a schedule for a machine that will trap you. But what if you could unclog the filter with a simple white powder from your fridge? What if the cure for kidney failure costs less than $1? I am going to show you how to reverse the irreversible kidney decline today. This secret is so effective that the British Royal Hospital proved it works, then buried it. We are going to neutralize the acid that is burning your organs alive. No surgery, no transplant list, and no life sentence attached to a machine. The medical establishment calls this chronic kidney disease, but that is a misleading name. It should be called chronic acid poisoning, because that is what is actually happening physically. Your kidneys are the master chemists of your body, balancing the pH of your blood. When they get tired, they stop producing a critical molecule that neutralizes the acid from your food. This acid builds up in your blood and begins to dissolve your bones and muscles. To save your life, your kidneys go into a panic mode and create ammonia to fight the acid. But this ammonia is highly toxic and destroys the delicate kidney fabric from the inside out. It is a vicious cycle. The acid causes damage, the damage causes ammonia, and the ammonia causes more damage. Your doctor sees this happening on your blood test but refuses to give you the neutralizer. He tells you to eat less protein and prepares you for the inevitable surgery. He is managing your decline instead of correcting the chemical imbalance that is killing you. You do not need a new kidney. You need to extinguish the fire that is burning the old one. The fire extinguisher is sitting in the back of your kitchen cabinet right now. It is sodium bicarbonate, commonly known to the world as simple baking soda. This is the exact substance your kidneys are desperate to produce but cannot make enough of. When you take this white powder, you are manually performing the job that your kidneys are failing to do. You are flooding your system with the ultimate alkaline buffer that neutralizes the acid load instantly. When the acid is neutralized, your kidneys can finally stop producing the toxic ammonia. They can take a deep breath and begin the process of repairing their own scar tissue. A major study published by the Royal London Hospital showed that this slows kidney decline by 90%. Patients who were destined for dialysis were able to avoid the machine completely just by taking this powder. Think about that. A 90% success rate using a tool that costs pennies. Yet your nephrologist has never mentioned this study to you in all your visits. He prescribes blood pressure pills that actually reduce the blood flow to your kidneys. He prescribes diuretics that whip your tired kidneys like a dying horse to make them run. He is accelerating your failure because the system is designed to sell transplants, not cures. But you can break this cycle by understanding the reverse doctrine of renal health. You must stop the acid attack to give the organ a chance to regenerate itself naturally. However, you cannot just spoon baking soda into your mouth without a precise strategy. There is a specific Renal Rescue Protocol that you must follow to avoid side effects. The critics will scream that baking soda raises your blood pressure because of the sodium. This is another lie designed to scare you away from the natural cure you need. The sodium in baking soda is not the same as the sodium in table salt. Table salt is sodium chloride, which tightens your arteries and raises pressure. Sodium bicarbonate expands your blood vessels and actually helps to lower pressure in many people. It improves the oxygen delivery to the nephrons, the tiny filters inside your kidney. When these filters get oxygen and stop fighting acid, they start to unclog themselves. Your glomerular filtration rate, or GFR, will start to climb back up for the first time in years. To start this protocol, you need a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. You must take this on a completely empty stomach, preferably first thing in the morning. If you take it with food, you will neutralize your stomach acid and ruin your digestion. You want the bicarbonate to bypass the stomach and get into the bloodstream where the war is fighting. You start with a small dose and monitor your pH levels using cheap paper strips. Your goal is to get your urine pH up to a neutral 7, stopping the acidic burn. But baking soda is only the first step in the complete kidney reversal protocol. You must also address the scar tissue that has already formed inside the organ. There is a powerful ancient herb called Astragalus that specifically targets kidney scarring. It acts like a construction crew that tears down the fibrotic tissue blocking the filters. Combined with the bicarbonate, Astragalus increases blood flow and protects the proteins in your urine. When you stop leaking protein, you know that the holes in your filter are sealing up. Doctors will tell you that protein leakage is permanent, but they are wrong again. We have seen thousands of people reverse proteinuria using this exact combination of tools. You must also stop eating the fake foods that create the acid in the first place. Soda, processed meats, and inorganic phosphate preservatives are liquid death for your kidneys. Every time you drink a cola, you are pouring phosphoric acid directly onto a struggling organ. You are asking a man with a broken leg to run a marathon every time you eat junk. Switch to an alkaline diet full of dark leafy greens and lemon water to support the process. Lemon juice is acidic in the cup, but it turns alkaline inside your body. It provides citrate, which prevents kidney stones and further cleanses the urinary tract. The combination of bicarbonate, astragalus, and lemon is the holy trinity of kidney salvation. It costs less than $5 a month to run this entire protocol at home. Compare that to the $50,000 a year that dialysis costs the insurance companies. This is why you don't see commercials for baking soda during the evening news. There is no profit in a patient who cures themselves with a grocery store item. The profit is in the sickness, the machinery, the surgery, and the lifelong dependency. You have the power to starve the medical industry and feed your own body. Do not let them bully you into a fistula surgery for a machine you don't need yet. Do not let them tell you that stage 3 or stage 4 is the end of the road. The kidney is a resilient organ that wants to survive if you just stop poisoning it. You are reversing the metabolic acidosis that is the engine of the disease. You are reversing the conventional wisdom that says you are a helpless victim of genetics. You are a biological warrior who has found the weapon they tried to hide. Take the test, check your numbers, and watch the creatinine levels drop month by month. Watch the energy return to your body as your blood is finally cleaned properly. Watch the swelling in your ankles disappear as the fluid balance is restored naturally. This is the power of the Reverse Doctrine, and we do not accept organ failure. We clean the filter, we neutralize the acid, and we reclaim our lives. The solution is simple, the science is real, and the choice is yours. Do not wait for the machine to beep. Start the reversal protocol today.